This security footage from a metal manufacturing facility serves as a critical reminder of the hazards present in heavy industrial environments. While the production line was in active operation, a worker was positioned within a high-risk zone near a large-scale mechanical press. In a sudden turn of events, the individual became entangled in metal wiring, which led to him being drawn into the path of the machinery. The force of the equipment pinned the worker against a structural wall, leaving him immobilized as the mechanical cycle continued. This incident underscores the absolute necessity of maintaining a safe distance from moving parts and the vital importance of installing physical safety barriers. To prevent such hazardous mechanical entrapments, facilities must prioritize the use of emergency stop triggers and ensure all personnel are trained to recognize strike zones. Constant situational awareness is the most essential tool for protecting the well-being of the entire crew. This security footage captures a critical industrial safety incident during a routine operation involving a high-speed rotating roller. While a team was working near the machinery, one worker became caught in the mechanism due to a momentary lapse in situational awareness. The immense mechanical force of the rotating shaft immediately entangled his clothing or limb, pulling him into a rapid, continuous spin before he could react. This event serves as a vital reminder of the extreme hazards associated with rotating components and the absolute necessity of maintaining a safe distance. To ensure a secure environment, facilities must install physical guards and emergency stop triggers within immediate reach. This situation underscores that constant vigilance and strict adherence to safety protocols are essential to protecting the well-being of the entire crew and preventing mechanical entrapments. This security footage from a metal plant captures a critical safety incident. While operating a large production unit, a worker was on the machinery's platform when a high-tension metal cable discharged, deviating from its path and striking him. The force caused him to lose balance and fall forcefully to the ground. This event underscores the necessity of maintaining safe distances and using protective shielding. To prevent such accidents, facilities must prioritize fall protection and regular equipment inspections. Constant situational awareness and physical barriers are essential to protecting the well-being of the crew and preventing hazardous workplace falls. This security footage captures a critical industrial safety incident at a stone-crushing facility. While the heavy-duty machinery was in operation, a worker bypassed safety protocols and stepped directly into the machine's intake zone to manually push materials down. Due to overconfidence in a high-risk environment, he was unexpectedly caught by the mechanical force and drawn into the crushing mechanism before he could react or escape. This event serves as a vital reminder of the extreme hazards associated with powerful industrial equipment and the absolute necessity of strict safety procedures. To maintain a secure work environment, personnel must never enter operational zones or use their bodies to clear blockages. Constant situational awareness and following established safety guidelines are essential to protecting the well-being of the entire crew and preventing mechanical entrapments. This security footage captures a critical safety incident that serves as a vital reminder of workplace hazards in an industrial setting. While two workers were diligently focused on their tasks, they inadvertently positioned themselves within a high-risk zone near active machinery. In a sudden turn of events, a heavy metal component was rapidly discharged from the production line. Because the worker was not looking, the force of the moving part pinned him against a storage rack, leaving him immobilized and unable to move. This event underscores the absolute necessity of maintaining constant situational awareness and respecting no access zones at all times. To prevent such hazardous mechanical entrapments, facilities must prioritize the installation of physical safety barriers and ensure that all personnel are trained to recognize strike zones. Following strict safety protocols is the only way to protect the well-being of every crew member on the production floor. This security footage captures a sudden and hazardous incident that occurred near a facility entrance, serving as a vital reminder of the importance of situational awareness in high-traffic areas. While a group of people was gathered outside the building, a tractor transporting heavy cargo lost control and veered toward the bystanders. As the vehicle overturned, several heavy packages were displaced, trapping one individual beneath the fallen load. This event underscores the critical need for designated pedestrian zones and the secure fastening of materials during transport. To maintain a safe environment, facilities must prioritize clear signage and physical barriers to separate heavy machinery from foot traffic. Constant vigilance and strict adherence to safety protocols for vehicle operation are essential for protecting the well-being of everyone on site and preventing hazardous equipment-related incidents. This security footage captures a high-risk industrial incident involving heavy material handling and a failure in safety coordination. While a team was using a forklift to transport heavy-duty steel coils, a lapse in focus caused the load to become dangerously unstable. As the suspended coil swung off balance, it gained massive momentum and struck a worker with significant force, causing him to collapse instantly. This event serves as a critical warning about the extreme kinetic energy in moving loads and the necessity of maintaining a safe, no-go radius. To prevent such impacts, facilities must enforce the use of spotters and ensure loads are centered. Constant situational awareness and adhering to machinery protocols are essential to protecting the well-being of the crew. This security footage captures a high-risk industrial incident involving the release of stored mechanical energy. While an experienced worker was performing a routine task of cutting the tension bands on a large steel coil, the sudden release of pressure caused the material to spring outward with massive force. Despite the worker's rapid attempt to move away, the heavy steel struck him before he could reach a safe zone, causing a severe impact. This event serves as a critical warning about the unpredictable nature of high-tension materials and the necessity of specialized safety protocols during uncoiling operations. To maintain a secure environment, facilities must prioritize the use of remote cutting tools and ensure that personnel are positioned behind protective shielding. Constant situational awareness and respecting the line of fire are essential to protecting the well-being of every crew member on the production floor. This security footage captures a high-risk industrial incident involving a failure in heavy load suspension. While a team of workers was attempting to lower a massive steel coil to the facility floor, the securing cables failed or slipped due to improper fastening, causing the heavy load to drop forcefully. A nearby worker was nearly struck by the falling material, but fortunately, his rapid reflexes allowed him to evacuate the hazard zone just in time. This event serves as a critical warning regarding the necessity of rigorous rigging inspections and the enforcement of strict, no-go zones beneath suspended loads. To maintain a secure environment, facilities must prioritize the use of high-rated safety cables and ensure that all personnel maintain a safe distance during lifting operations. Constant situational awareness and adherence to load-bearing protocols are essential to protecting the well-being of the crew and preventing hazardous equipment-related impacts on the production floor. This security footage captures a critical industrial safety incident involving a failure in overhead load suspension. While a team was using a crane to lift large, heavy-duty bulk bags, a worker was positioned directly beneath the suspended load. Due to improper securing or a structural failure of the straps, the heavy bag suddenly detached and fell, pinning the individual underneath. His co-workers had to act immediately to assist in freeing him from the heavy material. This event serves as a vital reminder of the extreme hazards of working under a load and the absolute necessity of maintaining clear safety perimeters. To prevent such accidents, facilities must enforce strict protocols requiring all personnel to stay outside the fall zone until the load is safely grounded. Rigorous inspection of lifting gear and constant situational awareness are essential to protecting the crew.